appointed Aisha radhiyallahu anha, the mother of the faithful believers. The commencement of the divine revelation to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the form of good, righteous, true dreams which came true like the bright daylight, and then the love of the seclusion was bestowed upon him. He used to go in seclusion in the cave of Hira, where he used to worship Allah alone continuously for many nights before returning to, on his desire to see his family. He used to take with him the journey food for the stay, and then come back to his wife Khadija to take his food likewise again till suddenly the truth descended upon him while he was in the cave of Hira. The angel came to him and asked him to read. The Prophet replied, "I don't know how to read." The Prophet ﷺ added, "Then the angel caught me forcefully and pressed me so hard that I could not bear it anymore. He then released me and again asked me to read. And I replied, I don't know how to read. Thereupon he caught me again and pressed me a second time till I could not bear it anymore. He then released me and again asked me to read. But again I replied, I don't know how to read. Or what shall I read? Thereupon he caught me for the third time and pressed me and then released me and said, Read in the name of your Lord who has created all that exists, has created man from a clot, a piece of thick coagulated blood. Read, and your Lord is the most generous. Then Allah's Messenger ﷺ returned with the revelation and with his heart beating severely. Then he went to Khadija bint Khuwaylid radhiyallahu anha and said, Cover me, cover me. They covered him till his fear was over, and after that he told Khadija everything that had happened and said, I fear that something may happen to me. Khadija replied, Never, by Allah, Allah will never disgrace you. You keep good relations with your kith and kin, help the poor and the destitute, serve your guests generously, and assist the deserving calamity afflicted ones. Khadija radhiyallahu anha then accompanied him to her cousin Waraka bin Nawfal, who during the period of ignorance became a Christian and used to write the writing with Hebrew letters. He would write from the gospel in Hebrew as much as Allah wished him to write. He was an old man and had lost his eyesight. Khadija radhiyallahu anha said to Waraka, Listen to the story of your nephew. O my cousin, Waraka asked, O my nephew, what have you seen? Allah's Messenger described whatever he had seen. Waraka said, This is the same one who keeps the secret, that is the angel Jibreel, whom Allah had sent to Musa. I wish I were young and could live up to the time when your people would turn you out. Allah's Messenger ﷺ asked, Will they drive me out? Waraka replied in the affirmative and said, Anyone who came with something similar to what you have brought was treated with hostility, and if I should remain alive till the day when you will be turned out, then I would support you strongly. But after a few days, Waraka died, and the divine revelation was also paused for a while.